Well, hello folks. Bonnie and I say hello and Merry Christmas. It is Christmas week, and it is, you can tell it is looking a lot like Christmas here in southern West Virginia. And just really quickly, just wanted to tell you Merry Christmas and let you know that probably for the rest of the winter, unless something happens, the videos will be a little less frequent. I'll probably be doing 2 a week instead of 3 a week like I've been doing all summer. And just because I don't have as much work in winter, so I don't have as much stuff to video. So, I mean, if something changes, you know, we might go back to 3 a week. Where are you going, Bonnie? You're climbing up on my hillbilly hoodie. What are you doing? You don't do that. Get off me. Crazy cat. I don't know. She's afraid she's not going to get a Christmas present, I think. Now, just because I won't be doing as many videos as I have been doing doesn't mean we won't be making content. We'll probably be doing at least 2, maybe 3 live streams a month. So if there's subjects you want to talk about in a live stream, please let me know. And my crazy cat. I think that's the first time she's ever done that. So yeah, so just let me know if there's anything you'd like to talk about or have us talk about on a live stream. And if there's any subjects, you know how I've done some of the videos, you know, standing in front of a whiteboard or whatever. If there's anything like that you'd like to see, let me know. And on a cold, snowy day, I could shoot that video. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Bonnie and I say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to y'all, and y'all have a great day. We'll catch you later.